The challenge: map training content to competencies for specific employee roles. Engage users in active, innovative, effective learning experiences. Confirm user comprehension and improve employee time to contribution. The NexLearn solution: develop a unique modular learning experience featuring a variety of interactive concepts that encourage users to review, analyze, and explore global allocation content.
How prepared are you to identify and respond to major supply chain issues, including global expansion in supply, fluctuating resource prices, and lean manufacturing options? When supply is constrained and all customer demand cannot be fulfilled, how will you allocate available supply to demand? To keep pace with these dynamic changes, it is critical that frontline employees, supervisors, and senior executives work together to understand and manage both tangible and intangible risks. This course is designed to educate and train all stakeholders of the global allocation process and will identify functions of the supply chain management process, define responsibilities and expectations at each process stage, help you respond quickly and confidently to changes in your demand-supply performance. Let's get started.
Connecting elements helps learners understand relationships. Course modules are accessible through an interactive menu that visually represents the stages of the process. Utilizing the drill-down approach. Many menus with various interactive components break content into manageable chunks to enhance learning and avoid cognitive overload. Creating a unique learning experience for every user. Short pre-assessment quizzes measure comprehension to customize the level of content review and remediation for each user. Crafting clear, concise, memorable content. Moving images, animations, on-screen text, and media work together to create a lasting impression that enhances understanding and improves retention.
The supply chain is a complex system linked by linear and nonlinear relationships. Each stage of the process is responsible for performing specific functions and generating important data that can directly affect performance, from resourcing to manufacturing to fulfillment. A breakdown in communication between the different parts of the supply chain can be costly. To minimize potential issues, effective sales and operations planning can improve the organizational balance between commercial and operational teams and provide a more agile approach to decision-making. When appropriately informed, supply chain managers typically make important distinctions between competing priorities of process cost-effectiveness. For example, after reviewing the latest reports, a key supply chain manager may decide to avoid traditional tendencies and implement a just-in-time inventory solution to meet customer demand.
Experience is the best teacher. Immersive learning simulations challenge users to practice critical thinking skills in real-world, contextual scenarios and extend the learning experience beyond courseware settings.
In this scenario, you are the site supply planner reviewing the capacity load of the work centers. You research database information and review the third-party backlog and demand report generated by the sales planning team. What do you notice in your investigation? Based on your findings, you contact the allocation leader to discuss the situation.
I looked at the total demand, including intercompany orders, and compared it against the manufacturing plant 1 week out. The numbers indicate supply won't meet demand. We'll need to prioritize orders. I know sales will want to make sure Johnson Auto gets their order. They're small, but they've been a loyal customer.
After discussing the situation further, you decide to escalate the matter to update key stakeholders. The global customer service leader wants to schedule a supply allocation meeting as soon as possible. Which of the following personnel are required to attend the meeting?
Partnering with an industry leader. NexLearn is an experienced, award-winning e-learning innovator. From needs assessment and consultation to project development to course LMS delivery, we want to work with you.